Wall-mounted speakers. Let's explore why and when to use them. In a home setting, it's a solution that is frequently used for the simplicity of installation and its usage. This is the cabinet of one of our on-wall speakers that can be used both on the wall and on the ceiling. This is the cross-section, and this part here should be applied to the wall or drywall. The holes you see here are for fixing with wall plugs. At a point in this area, there must be the cable outlet, so the preparation that needs to be done before connecting the speaker on this side and connecting the amplifier on the other side. The cabinets are already equipped with a rear gasket to ensure that air does not pass between our wall and the cabinet, in order to avoid compromising the performance of the speaker and maintain optimal sound quality. Wall-mounted speakers are widely used in multi-room settings, so when you want to distribute music throughout the house, music in the kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, they are also commonly used in home theater settings. With our Garvan Coro series, you have the capability to create high-performance multi-room systems for home cinema setups and more. Also, because we have a wide range of products with various dimensions, from the smallest measuring 19 x 19 centimeters with a depth of 7.6 centimeters to the largest measuring 19 centimeter x 80 centimeters. Both the speaker cabinet and the speaker port are constructed from steel. Soundproofing material is applied inside the speaker port to dampen vibrations and make the cabinet soundproof. This is the gasket I was referring to earlier, and it should be applied behind the cabinet in order to prevent air leaks. That is all for now, and let us celebrate the longevity of wall speakers. Goodbye and take care.